Today I'm going to show you how to make a box plot. Make sure that you have your data ready, your numerical data. So get your data from SurveyMonkey, so make sure you log on to surveymonkey.com. And I'm going to, if you want to go ahead and close your results, because otherwise people can go in and take your survey. I'll show you how to do that really quickly. Click on it. Click collect responses. And then right here you can, mine says open collector because mine's already closed. Yours will say close collector. Don't delete it because then you'll delete all your responses. So click on here and you can analyze your results. And remember to filter out your males and females to get your data. So right now my females are filtered out, and then I'll go back and filter my males before. If you don't know how to do that, I have a video on how to filter out your populations. So right now I have my data for my females. And so I'm going to go down to my quantitative data, which is my answer with numbers on a scale of 1 to 5. How much do you love math? One person said 1. One person said 2. 5 people said 3. 12 people said 4. And 8 people said 5. And I'm going to use that data. So right now, you want to make sure you write. You want to pause this video and make sure you write that information down, so you have it. After that, you want to go to our class website, spencermath7.weebly.com. Then you want to go to our statistics unit under units of study, statistics. And then here's the video for the SurveyMonkey filters, and other videos will be there as well. And I've renamed this the Circle and Bar Graph Creator, and I'll have a video on that as well. This one's going to be Box Plot Creator. So click on that. So these are your tabs that you're going to use: Design, Data, Labels, and Display. So you can change the border color and the background color if you want to. I'm going to leave mine the same. Number of items. So what I'm doing is I'm creating a data display on how many females I have. So again, I had 28 females respond. So I'm going to have 28 pieces of data. So I'm going to put in 28 here. And it says you can either paste the numbers or you can type them on a number line. Type each on a number on a new line, or you can separate with commas. And I'm probably just going to separate mine with commas. So I had one female that said 1, so I'm going to put 1 comma. And I had one female that said 2. Sorry, so 2. Now I had 5 females that said 3, so I'm going to have 5 3s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I had 12 females that responded 4, so 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Sorry, this is tedious. And then I had 8 females that said 5, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, make sure that you put commas between them, or otherwise your display will not look correct. And make sure that you either do it this way or type each number on a new line, enter. If you mess up and hit enter in between, it messed it up with some other classes. So now you want to quickly display it to make sure it looks good. So yeah, this is exactly the way I want my data to look. I didn't have my maximum and my Q3 were the same because I had so many that said 5. I want to label it. I want to have a title. So my title is going to be Females Rating of Math 1 to 5. Source, you don't have to put a source. When I display this looks too small to me, so I'm going to make my font bigger. I'm going to make it 18. And 18 looks good to me. Now, normally I would have you right click it and copy it, but that's not an option here. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to use the snipping tool. So if you go down to where it says type here to search at the bottom of your screen, you're going to type in snipping tool and it'll pop this up right here. Okay, so click on that. And mine's over here. Hang on one quick second. Sorry about that. Let me find mine. Mine's going to my other screen. There it is. Sorry, guys. Okay, so some kids had said theirs was in the middle and it couldn't snip. So it's okay. Just put it out of the way. So wherever, you want to make sure out of this box. Then you're going to click New. And it's going to kind of bring up this little plus sign. Your plus sign, you're going to drag it to create the box that you want to snip. And I'm going to put it right there just like that. Now I can right click and copy. And then you're going to go into your paper. Remember, it's on your Google Drive. So the waffle here, click Google Drive. And here is our statistics project. And remember, you need to have 5 graphs total. The box and whisker plot, since we're going to make 2 of them, we're going to make one for each population. That can count as 2 of your box. That can count as 2 of your graphs that are needed. So I've got my frequency tables. I've got my circle graph, which will end up together. I've got my comparative bar graph. Here's my box and whisker plot on males, and then right underneath, I'm going to hit enter, and here's my box and whisker plot on females. And you can drag it and you can make it smaller if you want to. Just make sure that they're close enough in size that you can compare it. So if you look at mine, you can easily see that the median of my females is 4. The median of my males is 5. The quartile 3 of my males is 5. And my maximum of 5. So most of my males said 5 on math. And females, the median was 4, the quartile 3, and the maximum was 5. So this way you can compare your box and whisker plots. I hope this video was helpful to you. Have a great day.